Hey everyone, what did I buy from Amor Fabriques? First of all, I bought her fabric strips. And I bought these because I'm going to be doing some fabric clusters and some quilt scraps and stuff like that. So I saw these strips and thought they would be perfect. These are kind of, it looks like they're made out of drapery material. So these are probably going into clusters. But you get right many of them, and it's not a lot of money. And that is Amor Fabriques on Etsy. And she has a YouTube shop too. I mean Facebook. So are they repeating? It looks like they might be. I like this. They're kind of heavily scented, so yeah. So I got this many of them. I'm gonna have to put them up because my allergies are kicking in. Next, I got a package of two packages of vintage letters. And what I was thinking about doing is I have another package from Mike Younger that I bought from him. I was thinking if there's any interest, anybody want to hear letters from the 1930s and 40s, I would do some on video. Because the envelope has the letters in them. And let's see, this is Herschel Hecker. This one is to Martin County Schools, so that one should be interesting. Here she's living in Columbus, Ohio, and here Carrollton, Ohio, in 1936. Camp Carroll, Carrollton, Ohio. Oh, she had moved from Pomeroy to Carrollton here, United States Department of Agriculture. And I don't have any idea what a bill of candle letter is. All of these go to the same person. But they're all in the early 30s. This is a heavy, thick one. Yeah, the second package looks like they're all to her too. Anybody have a relative named Mrs. Herschel Hecker in Ohio? They have her letters. And this is Mr. Herschel. Oh, there are two Mr. Yeah, they're two Mr. Sorry. He's a foreman at CCC Camp Morgan, Malta, Ohio. Marion County Schools. Okay, I'm curious. I want to know what the schools are saying. Huh, I don't know. I guess this is from students at the schools. This one's saying it's alright to have a... Mother said it would be okay to have a party. Fort Wayne, Indiana. 1931, 1936. Written just before Fannie Harold was married. $1931. So yeah, I'm not using these in journals. as you all know, I love history, so I like collecting things from history. So, leave a comment if you want me to read some vintage letters so you can see what life was like for people back then. I can do some videos doing that. Alright, thanks for watching a short video. See you soon. Bye-bye.